What's up, everybody? It's TitanicFeetJack. Today we're gonna have a recap. Snkrs app had a restock of several different shoes. A lot that I put my name in the hat for, and some I didn't get. But we're gonna take a look at the ones that I did get. So first off deck, we're gonna take a look at this one. If I can get it out of the box. Alright, we're gonna toss this box over here. We do have a silver or gray Jordan box, red Jordan brand at the top, 360 of the box. If you know, there's the box tag. I'm gonna go ahead and read it. Air Jordan 14 Retro Color Challenge Red Black, and this is a size 14. This is my first time getting this sneaker. Got it wrapped like a sandwich. We have the Challenge Red. I'm sorry, the Ferrari Red 14s. The color is Challenge Red. Let me know what y'all think about these. I could see me rocking these. This was a nice pair to add to the collection. So this is pair number one. We're gonna set him aside. Box number two. Get this pull tab. Toss that aside. Oh, okay. Here we go. If y'all been watching my channel, y'all already know what this is. I already have a review of this sneaker up on the channel, so we're gonna try to gently slide these on out of here. There we go, doing a good job so far. Get this up out of here. This is a very nice sneaker. I don't hear anyone talking about it as far as their sneaker of the year. This is the second iteration of this sneaker. Some people like this one better. Some people like the original better. And they probably like the original better only because of its exclusivity. Yeah. Man, I might have to tear this, because I'm not sure the value of the paper, to be honest with you. This is some very thin paper. Here we go. Y'all see the box. Y'all probably remember seeing this on the channel. 360 of the box. There go the box tag. Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP Special Projects, and the color is white, black, and Sport Royal. This is a size 15 B North. Take the box off, box top that is, and here is the paper, and this is the ribbon. Yep, straight for Snkrs app. So I had a couple of dubs. Again, wrapped like a nice little sandwich. Get this up out of here. Yeah, it's kind of tough in here. Gonna toss this to the side. Here we go. We have the Air Jordan Retro 3D, the Soul 3 2.0 that is. This is a size 15. I really like this sneaker. I like how soft the leather is on the sneaker, and it's something different. Let's see where this sneaker ranks in a lot of people countdowns of the year for sneaker of the year. Myself personally, I do a top 15. You may see this one, you may not. Got the hang tag. Just stay tuned to the channel for the end of the year countdown. So this the Soul 2.0. This was another sneaker that I was able to get on the Restock from the Nike Restocks the other day. These pairs, they were coming in one by one. I thought they would have came in at the same time, but they coming in at different times and different days. So now we got them all here. Next box. Here we go. If y'all looked at a recent unboxing about a month or two ago, I did hit on these sneakers at Undefeated, but this is a Kobe 6 Protro. Color is Gam Royal White, and this is a size 15. Yep, I hit on Undefeated for these, so now I have a double up thanks to the Snkrs app. I'm talking about none other than the Kobe Dodger size 15 thing. Your boy got a double up. Not sure what they're going for the resale market, but I love this silhouette, the Kobe 6 Protro, the Dodgers. And last but not least, that lets me know what the sneaker is, because I knew what I was expecting, and I know what I didn't get. I'm not gonna play spoiler alert and let you guys know what I didn't get. I'll wait till after I unbox this last sneaker. Toss this aside. Another Kobe box, 360. Here you go, box tag. And we have a Kobe 6 Protro. Color Gam Royal White, size 7.5. Take off the box top. So yeah, I did hit on 7.5 as well. So out of all these sneakers that I hit on, the Restocks, which one is your favorite pair? I did not hit on the highly coveted Reimagine, the black Reimagine 5s, but I already have them for retail already. But comment down below, let me know your thoughts on the video and what sneaker was your favorite from the recent restock on the Nike app and the Snkrs app. And for the Kobe's, we had to do something special. We had to scratch off some stuff, so that was kind of creative by the Nike brand family, Jumpman and all that good stuff, and your boy was able to get his size. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off. Let me know how your how things went for you guys on the recent restock. So like I always tell you guys, if you can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get that sneaker, because you never know when it will be your turn to need help getting the sneaker. I'm TitanicFeetJack, signing out.